This is the second busiest megamall in South Africa at night. Let's explore and see what happens. Tonight I am in Menlyn Park Shopping Mall. I am going inside to see the vibe at night, and I also visit the Funfair they have set up at the outdoor parking. Menlyn Park is a true retail titan, holding a dominant position as one of the largest shopping malls on the African continent. It was originally built in 1979, but has since undergone several evolutions. During its late 90s and early 2000s era, it was globally famous for housing the world's first rooftop drive-in theater, situated directly on top of a shopping mall, alongside a rooftop play park and a hot air balloon. There are bus stops around Menlyn Park Shopping Centre that handle major local and transit routes. I'm heading up on this ramp designed for wheelchair or pram access. The developers designed this place to be accessible to everyone, including those with mobility challenges. This is one of the many entrances to the shopping mall. This place has 16 parking entrances, 12 parking exits, and over 8,250 parking bays. This parking area also has a taxi rank for minibus taxis. Over the years, the mall has expanded its gross leasable area to a massive 177,000 square meters. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the channel membership for early access and exclusive content. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. This shopping mall has over 500 stores, and the major anchor tenants for supermarkets include Checkers Hyper, Pick n Pay, and Food Lovers Market. There is also major fashion department stores such as Woolworths and Edgar's. This is entrance 1. There are 16 entrances in total. Right now I'm on the ground level, heading towards the escalator to go up to the first level. I'm heading towards entrance 10 now, where a temporary Carnival Funfair has been set up in the outdoor parking area. When it comes to operating hours, the mall is open from 9 AM to 8 PM Monday to Thursday. On Fridays and Saturdays, it's open from 9 AM to 9 PM, and on Sundays, it closes at 6 PM. This open space between the escalators is normally used for marketing and brand activations. If you look closely at the escalator guardrails, they also double as prime marketing billboards. Because people standing on or walking past escalators move slowly, they have a high dwell time. This makes escalator glass wraps incredibly lucrative, eye-catching spaces that media agencies lease out to top brands. Brands frequently use escalator guardrail branding to grab shoppers' attention and physically guide them toward their storefronts on the upper or lower levels. I'm on the first level now, heading towards entrance 10. You will find local and international fashion brands in this mall. There are also digital directory screens located throughout the walkways, which you can use to locate stores, navigate the mall, and find parking zones. If you need extra help, the mall also has physical information kiosks staffed by customer care representatives. This shopping mall sees an average monthly foot traffic of approximately 1.6 million shoppers. And on average, shoppers spend about 2 hours per visit inside Menlyn, which is among the highest dwell times for regional malls in South Africa. The developers added these red benches in the walkways so shoppers can take a break when they get tired of walking this massive mall. By making the mall physically comfortable, people stay longer, which directly boosts overall sales. Ahead of me, the Lego store has set up a temporary pop-up space right in the walkway while their main store gets an upgrade. As I move along the walkway, you'll notice these digital advertising screens, which provide a highly lucrative source of income for the mall. These digital screens are placed in strategic locations, like next to escalators or any area that has high dwell time. This shopping mall is wholly owned by Pretoria Limited, a premier South African shopping centre investment and development company which is wholly owned by the Public Investment Corporation. Here on the left there is a new store coming in August. It's called Psycho Bunny, and they operate in the same segment as True Religion apparel and Lacoste brand. There are more resting benches on this side. Malls are designed to keep people inside for hours, and strategically placing benches in the middle of wide corridors gives visitors a place to rest without having to leave. Here is another digital screen. These indoor screens act as digital signposts that influence shopping behavior in real time. A screen can display an ad for a store's 40% off sale, prompting a shopper to instantly change direction and walk into that specific storefront. I will turn right here and head towards entrance 10. This shopping mall attracts a highly diverse, high-spending and dynamic crowd. Because of its size and location in Pretoria East, it serves as both a local community hub and a regional magnet. According to retail mobility data from Lightstone, Menlyn Park ranks as the second busiest mall in South Africa in terms of overall visitor vehicle volumes, sitting just behind the Mall of Africa. The vast majority of Menlyn's foot traffic, roughly 75%, arrives via private vehicles, while 22% use public transport. It looks like the New Balance store on the left is currently being renovated because the main glass window has been completely blacked out. I've reached entrance 10. On this side of the mall, you'll find the Ocean Basket restaurant, and right across from it is a brand new, jungle-themed dining destination called Amazon. Ahead of me, you can see a Ferris wheel. That's the Carnival Funfair that has been set up in the mall parking lot. I'll head over there to show you how it looks. There is a water fountain at the roundabout as you enter the mall at entrance 7. People like taking selfies next to this water fountain. Now, I am heading towards the Carnival Funfair to show you what it looks like. The travelling carnival has set up in the outdoor parking area at Menlyn Park. It's a highly popular attraction that draws huge weekend and holiday crowds. An interesting fact about the outdoor parking is that it uses solar panels as shades. These solar carports serve a double purpose. They act as covered parking bays to protect cars and function as power generation devices for the mall. These panels feed directly into the mall's grid-tied solar system, which generates massive amounts of clean, renewable energy to help power the shopping center during the day. The mall has over 8,250 parking bays spread across multi-level parkade structures and outdoor lots. The mall utilizes more than 20 automated pay-on-foot stations alongside card at the boom and tap-and-go cashless payment systems to keep traffic moving quickly. This is one of the main attractions to the mall, especially during weekends and school holidays. That tall towering ride is called a swing tower. It looks very cool from down here. This place has a variety of rides, including those suitable for young children. This is the entrance to the Carnival Funfair. Now, I am going to show you the open-air dining area, Central Park, located on the upper level of the mall. If you are using e-hailing services, the mall has a dedicated pickup and drop-off zone located right at the Welcome Center entrance. Some of the people standing at this entrance are waiting for their e-hailing rides. I am heading towards the escalator to go up the next level of the mall. This shopping mall has 4 retail shopping floors in total. I am heading towards the open-air dining area called Central Park. The music is coming from Baka Cafe and Grill on my right. Unlike the traditional closed-wall food court, the restaurants here have indoor and outdoor seating which extends to the Central Park. There is a variety of restaurants that include Portuguese and seafood, steakhouses and grills, elegant Italian, and retro cafes. Ahead you can see one of the anchor tenants, Checkers Hyper, which is located on this side of the mall. The open-air dining and Piazza area is on my left. This is the open-air dining and piazza area at Menlyn Park, known as Central Park. It is designed as a vibrant, multifunctional outdoor hub. This park regularly hosts live music, family-friendly entertainment, product launches, seasonal expos, and holiday pop-up markets. And now we have reached the end of the video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.